Here's some heritage preservation trivia. Subscribe. What treaty aims to protect cultural property during war? Is it A, Paris Accord, B, Hague Convention, C, Geneva Agreement, or D, Treaty of Versailles? The correct answer is B, Hague Convention. What city is home to the historic site of Machu Picchu? Is it A, Arequipa, B, Cusco, C, Lima, or D, La Paz? The correct answer is B, Cusco. What does heritage site generally refer to? Is it A, protected historical location, B, ancient artifact, C, cultural festival, or D, tourist attraction? The correct answer is A, protected historical location. Which famous park in India was a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1983? Is it A, Red Fort, B, Qutb Minar, C, Ajanta Caves, or D, Taj Mahal? The correct answer is D, Taj Mahal. What organization works globally to conserve cultural heritage? Is it A, National Trust, B, World Wildlife Fund, C, ICOMOS, or D, National Geographic? The correct answer is C, ICOMOS. What Indian city is known for the historic Red Fort? Is it A, Delhi, B, Kolkata, C, Mumbai, or D, Jaipur? The correct answer is Delhi. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.